Well, good evening, guys. It's been a while. Definitely been a while since we've done a review. We've got another Australian model that I did say I was going to do ages ago. Can't even remember how long ago I reviewed the other UGL C44, C43. But here we have 9312. Which is the other one that I purchased to go with 9308 and the NR class. As you can see, it's in Pacific National. So in the last couple of days, I've been watching videos on the New South Wales XBT. Just want to have a shout out to Jay Story, who's done a fantastic feature-long video of the XBT. Absolutely amazing. Well done to you, mate. Also learnt from him, which I didn't know. So obviously, for people that already follow me, we're in the UK, so these models are very scarce, if not, I don't think there's many at all in the UK. They're not only very expensive, but they're expensive to get into the UK. I've just ordered the XBT in CountryLink, up-to-date livery, and it's over £1,000. Well, it wasn't, because I ordered an extra power car, and then obviously had to pay delivery, which was $115. But in relation to what you can buy in this country, so a HST set with sound is 500, 600, 700 quid, marginally a little bit less, but I just think the quality of this model, like some of the American ones I've purchased from, say, Scale Trains and Afrin, these are well up there with quality. Another thing Jay had said that I wasn't aware of, that even though they're hard to get, or they're in hardly any in the UK, you know, there is a chance that, I'm not saying I will have, but I've got 3 locomotives, some wagons and a XBT. That's probably considered as quite a lot, you know, it's a small collection for a UK modeler. But he said they're hard to come by in Australia. You know, he said that the modelling, they're very scarce where they are as well. So if it's scarce there, for me to get my hands on these beautiful models and import them to the UK, we're just, you know, very lucky and privileged. Anyway, so we touched on to 9308 in detail. 9312 really isn't any different, of course. These are later releases, so they've got the foam insert box. They've just put a plain C44 on here in grey. There's that foam insert, and then just on the end is obviously the picture of what you actually get in the box. DCC sound equipped. We don't need to read all that because we already know what we got. Right, let's just have a look through here again, because I'm a little bit rusty as to what button does what. I know that function 8 starts it because it's a non-standard model. All American, and I think anything that isn't British is function 8 anyway. So we're just going to start it up. We've got the running board lights on, headlights and ditch lights. I also noticed that there isn't many people in Australia that actually review the models, because I really want a on-track models class 82 just been released. There's no videos of it, and there's hardly any videos of the XBT, to be fair. So you know, luckily people like Jay, you know, they are uploading videos of this stuff. So not only are they scarce, there isn't many people on YouTube that video these models. So anyway, So like the other NL class in 9308, this has got a GE7 FDO, 16-cylinder engine, and this also has a Nathan K5 like the other UGL C43. This sounds like a standard GE to me. Okay. There's so many functions on here, which is quite nice. We're not going to go through all of them. Right. Don't know what that one is. I can show you that, I think. Function 2 for the horn is to do that Nathan K5. Very familiar in the States. And as you can see, when you do press the horn, the ditch lights flash. They are continuing to flash behind the grill. So now, we'll just do that K5 again. I just also want to say about the wide blades on this model. They are so finely attached. Just the whole, what you get for your money, they are expensive, but you do get what you pay for. Very smooth. The only thing I did notice on this particular model, I don't know if 9308 done it, but just watch. I didn't do it then. Maybe it only does it in reverse. But just the locomotive shakes a little bit. So just do it in reverse. See if it does it. Try and hold the camera steady. Yeah, it's doing it now. Just do it again. Might not like the track, you see. There we go. Open up a little bit. So, just going to turn it off a minute. Fantastic model. Just had a little bit of a wobble over the track. I don't know if it because it didn't like this, but it was only in reverse. But bear in mind, these models are brand new and never been running, so you know, given the benefit of the doubt. Otherwise, they've run great. I didn't notice the other one doing it, so. To me, I can't see it being too much of an issue. I think it is the track, because, you know, it doesn't move at all. So, I don't know, maybe this is Hornby track, so it's not actually HO, but we had this issue before. It's definitely on. Anyway, so, as I said in the other video, I was going to review the New South Wales NHVF NHVF coal hopper, and here it is. So I purchased these to go with the engines. We have 12. I've actually put that on the wrong way round because I think someone might have a get on the bloody track, wouldn't it? So how are the wheels on there then? Not too bad. Sorry. There's an arrow here, so I don't know if I had it the wrong way round. So looks pretty boring, you know, it's just a coal hopper. I think the detail's quite exquisite on these. Very much like the American Afrin and Atlas stuff. Very good detail. We've got a hooded section here, which is to protect the equipment at either end from being damaged when they're being loaded. We've got the fleet number, or it's this is 35237 NHVF. Got finely applied details. Got painted bogie springs and the brake wheel. You can see the hoppers at the bottom. This is a 6 hopper, and it is a Pacific National colour scheme. I'll say someone might be able to tell me about the arrow. Is it meant to point towards the engine? I'm guessing they're all meant to point the same way. They've all got an arrow, so if someone could let me know, that would be great. Every day is a learning day for me. So comes with coal load. As you can see, there is a little bit of protrusion here. If I push that down, that's, oh, there you go, it's just clicked in. So as you can tell, that's pushed down. These are removable. Are you going to put anything else in there? No, probably not. You know, they're weighty enough with what they are, and it looks realistic enough without it. With it in, obviously they aren't all these clean, so they need cleaning. Let's check the coupler height. Well, we're back again. I don't know what happened to the video, but it just cut off. So we joined the NHVF up to the back of the C43. Obviously both made by the same modeler company, so you'd like to think that the coupling height is good. And as you can see, it is a good height and well spaced. Because all of their models have pre-fitted hoses, they do actually look like they're joined from a distance, which is quite nice. Nice height, you know, it's well scaled and nice close coupling, which you do get with the knuckle couplers. So we'll just start up, move it backwards and forwards a couple of times just so you can see it, and call it a day. Sorry for the transition there, I sort of lost my flow. For some reason my phone decided that it needed to stop the video, and we're now continuing it again. So we will now start up 9312 and do a little bit of shunting. Well, I shut the engine down, but for some reason didn't do the full shutdown procedure. Didn't always run, unless that is the engine. Well, it's off now, anyway. But there we have it. There is our lovely UGL C43, coupled up to our lovely New South Wales NHVF, which we do have 12 of. This is one of the 12, and hopefully one day I can imagine that this consist will look absolutely stunning with 2 of these and the 12 wagons being towed behind. That's it for now, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be our New South Wales XBT. Thanks for watching, guys, and look forward to seeing more content from the guys across the pond. Hopefully some more Auscision videos of the XBT and all sorts, really. So, but yeah, thanks for watching and good night.